So on Saturday, just after Leatherhead Open 2021, I reached the 600 subscriber milestone. The last 10 or so were probably directly from that competition. People found out and decided to subscribe after seeing my stall, and trying to get them to by offering them free cube stands and stuff like that. But regardless, I'd like to thank everyone who watches these videos, orders from my store or whatever, because yeah, it's really great. It's very nice. I'm literally sitting in front of 100 and something envelopes, which is a pretty crazy thing for an 18-year-old to have in their room, but it's what I have right now, and thank you for all the support I've got. So this time, to thank you, instead of another GAN 11M Pro giveaway, come on, there's obviously going to be a GAN 12 coming out soon, and they've already announced the GAN 11M Mini, which is probably going to come out in a few weeks' time. So yeah, let's not do another one of those. They did that last year and it was, great for the person who won, but not so good for the 100 people who didn't win. So this time I'm going to be giving away 4 RS3M 2020s. So just to check out the quality of the RS3M 2020, obviously I've already gone through it in depth and made a video, quite a popular video about it, but I have here side-by-side comparison, my first side-by-side comparison where you see me and my twin racing each other. One person with the GAN 11M Pro on the left, and on the right we have the RS3M 2020, and you can see that it's pretty close. So I suppose on this occasion we see that the GAN 11M Pro UV coated version is, I suppose, according to this average of 5, about 0.4 seconds faster. But that's certainly not always been the case, and I have got sub 10 averages of 50 with a well set up RS3M 2020. And this is one thing to mention: if you do win, you can choose to have it set up with neutrino, muon, or none at all, or possibly something else. I don't know. So, yep, that's it really. Thank you for 600 subscribers, and now I guess we have to get on to how to enter. So, to enter the giveaway and have your chance to win one of the 4 RS3M 2020, what you need to do is subscribe, be subscribed obviously, and have your subscriptions public so I can verify that. Then you need to like this video. It's just one click, just do it. And number 3 is to ask a question in the comment section for my Q&A that I'll probably do with this giveaway, just like I did at 400, didn't I? And 300 and 250. Well, Harry did it at 250 and 200 and probably 100 as well. Although I don't think I have the store then. But yeah, ask a question in the comment section down below. And yeah, also comment something on one of my other videos. I don't really care what, as long as it's sensible and constructive. And I don't really care which video you comment on, just one of them. So yeah, that's it really. Thanks you again for 600 subscribers, and yeah, I guess, well, hope you win the giveaway, but obviously most people aren't going to win the giveaway. Sorry about that, it's just the way giveaways are. If you want cubes, you generally have to pay for them, sorry. But hopefully these cubes will go to someone who is genuinely interested in speed cubing, but just can't afford a good speed cube at the moment.